Hey guys, you're welcome to Julia's Beauty and Style, a home for all kind of braids and also products reviews. So now let's jump straight into the topic for today. So now, okay, I got beautiful cornrow here. You can see I love edges. You can see my edge. I have a new hairstyle today. Yeah. So it's a cornrow, and this is my beautiful edges. I basically told the stylist to please don't touch my edge. I want my edges out. I like defining my baby hair. Yeah, let's put it that way. And this is another style cornrow. I think she didn't break out her edges. So the stylist literally just like pick everything. I really don't advise that because I had a friend, she braided her hair, I think 2 months ago, and she had the hair for like 7 weeks. And when she finally pulled down the braids, trust me, you won't like what you're gonna see. Like the edges literally pulled off. And she said she's so lazy to do her edges. Probably that is why she told the stylist to like pick the edges, and yeah, so that is how it is. So learn to take care of your edges. So this is crochets, like the dread crochets. My previous hair I had before this was a crochet. I lost a lot of hair. It's not because naturally I have bulky hair. It's not. Oh my god, you won't like it. Like when it stays for like 4 weeks, it tends to lock. Well, the way she did her own, she kind of cornrowed and start fixing the crochet. But the one I had was, when you do the one strand, like you pick it one and you try to like each strands, and you try to like get the locks inside, and you do the get a separate extension to like wrap it. So you kind of like the extension, my hair, that's my first time making such hair, so you kind of like lock together. I think that is how people start wearing dreads. It took me a whole lot of time to pull it. So imagine if I had a very long hair, like 12 inches, trust me, my hair would have, when you have short hair, when it cuts, you won't really notice it. So enough for my talk. So let's watch this video till the end. Don't forget, this video is for educational purposes, to give you stylish ideas for you to rock special occasion. The video is not ending now. Let's